Hello people of the internet, I am Isa and welcome back to Making It Up. This is my first video of 2019.
What was that? Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and welcome to my first video of 2019. Oh my god, I'm gonna be 20 this year. I look like I'm 14. What a great life. Oh my god. So, I always say I want to start the year on a positive note, but today I don't know why I planned this the way I planned this. This is a pre-filmed video because I'm going to be in South America for New Year's with my family. So yeah, this is past me and I am talking to the future and I'm saying I wanted to start the video on a positive note, but this is not a very positive video. Oh my god. Anyways, this is a bit of a different video. I'm gonna be talking about products that I've bought that I never use, either because I just didn't love it or just I have so much stuff that I don't reach for these things. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. There are not a lot of products here. I mostly use a lot of the products in my collection, but I have some neglected ones that I wanted to discuss with you guys today. So if you feel like you're into that, let's go ahead and start the video. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It'll mean the world to me and it's free. So yeah, let's go. What am I doing with my hands? I don't know. Woo! Okay friends, so I'm gonna start with a skincare product and it's also the product that I've had for the least amount of time. This is my Ohii Wakeup pen and this is in the shade Pearl. I didn't know there were more shades, but basically this is this little thing that you like apply in your eye and it just wakes you up. And I don't know what this is really for. I mean, it has pearl, as you can see in the viewfinder, I'm seeing that. It has a lot of like shimmery pearly stuff, and I just find that I don't reach for it because of that. It's a little bit too shimmery for me. It doesn't really do much other than add like shimmer to my under eyes, which isn't really effective. It's a good product. It hydrates, it feels really nice, but I just don't see it doing much, so I never reach for it. The packaging is really cute though. Thank you, Ohii, for being cute. Let's move on to makeup. I only have one base product and that is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Foundation. I don't know. Honestly, I got this because everyone was raving about it. I have combo to oily skin, so I thought this was gonna be great, but I got matched. Okay, I matched myself and everything seemed to be going fine, right? And then this doesn't match me at all. This is way too white for me. This is in 150. So it's a little bit too neutral for me and it's too light. Like, something about this just didn't work for me. I put it on. Every time I put it on, I look like a ghost, obviously. But also, the formula just didn't really mesh well with my skin, so I just never reached for this, which is such a shame because I love Fenty products, and I know a lot of people love this foundation, but it just didn't do much for me, you know? I love the packaging, though, and I'm probably gonna give it to my mom because this would fit her skin tone much better, and maybe she would love it. Because I don't, and it makes me sad. I have some other skin products over here for you guys. The first one is the Dose of Colors Baked Highlighter in Peach Glow. Bet you didn't know this existed. I got this so long ago, like in 2016 or 15, and oh my god. Okay, so my problem with this is, first of all, it's a baked highlighter, which is supposed to make everything look better on the skin, but this just doesn't. It's a little bit weird, like the color is a little bit weird. It's a bit frosty, even though it's supposed to be peachy. And it has like light speckles of different colors on it, which just add a little bit of shimmer, but like chunky shimmer, not the type of shimmer that I want in a highlighter. So I used to wear this all the time. I don't think they even make this anymore, but I just realized that now it's not what I want. The highlighter is barely even pigmented and I'm not really vibing with the undertone and everything of this, so I just don't reach for it anymore, which is really sad, but such is life. The next product is also something I bought recently, and this is my Becca Sunrise Waves Gradient Sunlit Bronzer. It looks like this, and it's really nice. A lot of people rave about this, and I thought I was gonna love it too, but this is just too shimmery for me, and I think it's because right now we're in winter, so I don't want to look very shimmery. Maybe I would love this in the summer, but for now, I don't know. It's a little bit too much. It has highlighter on both. This is opal highlighter on this side and the other, and the rest of the bronzers are a little bit shimmery as well, so I just feel like it's way too much shimmer for a bronzer. And if you mix them together, like, I mean, the color is really nice. It's just too shimmery for me. It's also a little bit deep, so I can't wear it as like a highlighter. I'd have to wear it as a bronzer. So yeah, it's sad. I got this on sale and that's kind of like the primary reason why I got it. I also heard a lot of people raving about it, but honestly, just I don't reach for it enough. Next I have some eye products for you guys, and you might be shocked at what I'm about to show you. It's a Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I never reach for this and I don't know why. It might be because I have a lot of palettes and I prefer reaching for something smaller on an everyday basis. This is huge, but I don't know. I love this palette. It's so pretty. The shades are so freaking pigmented. Everything is just beautiful, and the pops of color in here are like, damn, they're beautiful. Everything's beautiful. I love this palette, but I just don't reach for it, and I need to reach for it. New Year's resolution, use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette more, and I have swatches everywhere. Great. I am so sorry that I didn't pay attention to a lot in 2018. I will pay more attention to you in 2019 because you're gorgeous. I have more lid stuff. I have the Touch in Soul Metallist Liquid Foil and Glitter Shadow Dew. I have 2 of these. These came out ages ago, like 2016 I think, and these are amazing. So on one side it comes with like the foily thing, so it's like a foil. It's really pigmented and it's beautiful, like a cream shadow, and on the other end there's a glitter. So the thing is, you apply the foil and then you apply the glitter on top like this, and it just makes everything look beautiful and gorgeous and, you know, glittery eyeshadow. Yay, great. I have the shades Lottie and Talia. This one's a little bit cooler tone. This one is just a champagne, and I used to wear this all the time on the inner corner and as a lid shade, and I love these so much, but I just stopped using them when I got my Stila liquid things. But yeah, I love these a lot. I mean, they're amazing. They look so different from the Stila ones because they're not glittery. They're more an actual foil. So yeah, I'm really sad that I don't use these anymore. I don't know why. They've been jammed in my drawer, and I don't use them anymore. But I will try to use them a little bit more now that I have refound them because they're beautiful. And I really used to like these. So hopefully I use them a little bit more this year. The next category that I have is lips, and I have a few lippies here. Both of them are liquid lipsticks. Not surprised, honestly. I've been steering away from liquid lipsticks a little bit this year. The first one is my Tarteist lip paint in Low Key. This is the color right here, and I've heard so many great things when these came out. I mean, the wand looks like the Jeffree Star one, and the color is really nice. It's like a rosy, peachy nude, right? It looks beautiful swatched on the skin, but when I apply it, there's something about the formula that doesn't agree with my lips. It feels kind of sticky and a little bit heavy. It doesn't really emphasize my like lines, but it's still like very uncomfortable and sticky, and the color just does not work on my skin, and that's why I never ever wear it, because it just, something about it just, it's a little bit off whenever I wear it. So I just decided not to wear it because of the formula and the color, and I'm probably gonna be giving this to someone, like a friend or something, or I'm gonna add it to my kit because I've heard a lot of people talking great things about this one, and I never reach for it because I don't love it. Same goes for my other lip product. It's the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Butt Naked. I think this was a Christmas special last year, I don't know, but the color is beautiful. The formula is amazing. Their formula is incredible, but the color is just too light for me, guys. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful color, but it's too light for me. I look stupid and chalky whenever I wear this, so I never reach for it. I've already put it in my makeup kit because it's just, there are people who will wear it better, and it's great for lightening other lipsticks, but for my everyday life, I will never reach for this, so this got passed on because I mean, it doesn't work for me. Do you see? I don't understand. In the website, it looked a lot darker than this. That's why I got it, but yeah. It's really sad because it's the only Jeffree Star liquid lipstick that I have, and I've heard so many great things. The formula is amazing, but the color just flopped for me. And I believe that is it for today, you guys. These were all the products that I bought, but I never wear. Some of them I really enjoy, some of them I don't really enjoy. Let me know what products you bought but never wear. I'd love to know that. Leave them in the comments below. And I really hope you enjoyed my first video of 2019. Oh my god. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. It gives me a lot of feedback, and as always, let me know if there's something you want to see from me. Again, write it in the comments. I love to check your suggestions out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course follow me on Instagram where I post all the fun stuff that I do with my life, aka nothing, but anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing 2019. I am really excited, and please, 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 it would mean the world to me if you were to follow me on my journey this year. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.